First off, I want to talk about a minor nit pick that I want to talk about real quick. Because this one, it's not a major thing. I don't expect the writers to remember every single damn line they've said. But this one was about Adam. Adam doesn't know what the word sabotage means in an episode. He does not get it explained to him, but in a later episode, he knows what it means. I thought that was weird. Another thing with Adam was in an episode where he gets Bree's intelligence, so he shouldn't be dumb anymore. They still use him as he's the dumb guy joke. And he's less dumb than I thought he was. Maybe he gets dumber with the more seasons, like a lot of shows do. But I don't know. He's not as dumb as I remember. Plus, he's legitimately funny in, a few episodes. There's some good jokes, and not just, he's dumb. No, there's, some good jokes with him. But let's move on from that. Some of these I do not remember. Exoskeleton versus Grandma. Okay, this one. Only one nitpick. Though I don't think this actually is a nitpick. When Leo and Chase decide to stop the exoskeleton, they do it in front of the grandma, but Chase uses a force field. That is not what she questions, and they don't even acknowledge that Chase used a force field. I thought that was kind of dumb. Bonnet birthday fail. I thought it was dumb that they acknowledged that the Chase, Adam, and Bree have never had a birthday. Yet, not once in this season do they give them a birthday episode. Maybe they will in the other 3 seasons. Death Spiral's SmackDown was a decent episode, but they randomly give Leo a friend and then we don't see him again for the rest of this season. Though then again, I do remember Gordo, so maybe he does appear in other seasons, because I briefly remember him. Or maybe I just remember him from this episode, because I watched this show when I was a kid. Back from the Future, nitpick with this one too. Episode 1, in the very opening scene, not like a minute or 2 in, Leo finds the lab. And Davenport has a line, though you can usually tell when Davenport is joking in the show, because it's repetitive. It's always he'll say something, and then immediately after, he'll say no, I did not mean that. He has a certain type of humor. You can just tell if you watch the show. But in episode 1, right, he says he has time machines in the shop. So he has time machines, but in this episode, he's surprised he has time machines. Yes, that makes total sense. Chore Wars was decent. I actually remember this one from when I was a kid, but not really much in it. Air Leo, I remember this one too from when I was a kid. Mission Invisible. I almost said Invincible because I got Invincible on my mind ever since they announced season 2 is coming out. This one was decent. But, once again, not too much to talk about. Concert in a Can. This one, I don't understand why Leo didn't just go to Davenport, because in a previous episode we find out that Davenport has a security system to check on the kids. Though Eddie also has it too. But he could have just went to Davenport and been like, hey, check the cameras. But I probably wouldn't have done much, because Marcus probably would have done that same bullshit story. Mission Space was decent. But that's about it. Since, that's the last episode. But yeah, I'm planning on watching some movies and getting reviews on them before they get taken off apps like Prime and shit. Because there's this one Jim Carrey movie. I think it's called I Love You, Philip Morris, that I want to watch. And I'm going to watch the Deadpool movies. I haven't seen the second one. I still need to watch Batman and Robin. There's a bunch of shit, so I'm probably going to take a break, or I might not, because I do like this show. I know, yeah, it ends on a cliffhanger. I actually remember the cliffhanger. Because I really liked this show when I was a kid. So I remember a lot of the stuff that happens in it.